The Bahamas has a high incidence of early onset of breast cancer. Researchers have found that 6 distinct BRAC1 mutations have been found in patients from Bahamian families affected by cancer. Recently, 214 Bahamian women with invasive breast cancer who were screened for 6 mutations in the BRAC1 gene that have previously been reported in cancer patients. A mutation was identified in 49 of the 214 breast cancer patients. The mutation frequency was particularly high in women diagnosed before the age of 50. Now joining us live in studio to talk about the BRAC1 and 2 gene is Dr. Wesley Francis. Dr. Francis, welcome to the Bahamas tonight.
Thank you.
Dr. Francis, are you able to tell us what is BRAC1 and BRAC2 gene mutation?
Well, BRCA1 and 2 gene mutations, the gene itself, what is known as tumor suppressor genes, and its purpose is to stabilize the cell against damage to the DNA itself. So when you have a mutation in that, then the cell is unable to defend against these damage, and therefore it increases the risk to certain cancers.
Will this gene mutation increase a woman's risk of breast cancer or developing breast cancer?
Well, that's how it really got its name, because it was found that it increases the risk of breast cancer up to about 87%. Usually in the general population without a mutation, the lifetime incidence or risk of breast cancer would be about 12%. With those with patients who have BRCA, it's as high as 85 to 87%.
And what other cancers can you say have been linked to this mutation in BRCA1 and BRCA2?
BRCA2 in particular has been linked to ovarian cancer, and it's also been linked to prostate cancer in men, and even to a small degree in pancreatic cancer.
And just out of curiosity, how much does the testing cost for BRCA1 and BRCA2?
Well, the genes itself, sometimes you can do full sequence, and this can run you anywhere from about $1,000 to about $3,000.
Dr. Francis, thank you so much for joining us here on the Bahamas tonight.